Ready to transform your passion into profit by showcasing amazing products directly on your TikTok? This guide will show you exactly how to add products to your TikTok shop as an affiliate, curate your perfect storefront, and start earning commissions with every sale. First things first, let's get your affiliate account set up. You'll need to navigate to your TikTok profile and find that crucial shop option if you're already part of the affiliate program and have been approved. You'll see this section clearly available. Tap into it to begin the exciting journey of product curation. Now, for the fun part, adding products. Within your TikTok shop affiliate dashboard, you'll find a section dedicated to browsing and selecting items to promote. Think about your niche and audience. What are they genuinely interested in? Browse through the available products, looking for quality items that resonate with your content and your followers' needs. Once you've found a product you love, it's time to add it to your personal showcase. Simply click on the product you want to feature, and you'll see an option to add to showcase or a similar button. Tapping this makes the product available for you to feature in your videos and on your profile. Now, let's bring these products to life. Create engaging content that organically integrates the products you've added. This could be a review, a tutorial, a styling video, or even a creative skit. When you're editing your video, you can directly tag the products from your showcase, making them appear as clickable links that viewers can easily purchase from. Curating your storefront is key to driving sales within your shop tab. You can organize the products you've added. Think about creating collections or highlighting your top picks to make it easy for your followers to discover what you recommend. A well-organized showcase builds trust and encourages impulse purchases. And there you have it. Every sale made through your unique product links directly contributes to your earnings by consistently creating valuable content and showcasing products your audience loves. You can build a sustainable income stream right from your TikTok presence. Start adding, start sharing, and start earning.